Let's face it, launching a Google Ads campaign can be exciting. But trust me, no one wants to see their budget vanish into the ether without any results. To help you avoid that frustration, let's unpack the top 5 mistakes that early marketers make so you can optimize your campaign and watch those conversions soar.
Google Ad blunders, oh what a mess. In the land of ads, they're failing the test. With catchy jingles, we'll learn from the fails in this 2000 sitcom where laughter prevails.
Imagine showing off your handcrafted surfboards to people searching for inflatable pool toys. That's what happens when you target the wrong audience in Google Ads. Here's the fix. Google Ads offers powerful audience targeting tools. Take time to understand your ideal customer, who they are, what are their demographics, interests, and online behavior. Craft laser-focused audience segments to ensure that your ads reach the right people at the right time. Pause the video and jot down a few key details about your ideal customer. This will be crucial for building your target audience later. Keywords are the foundation of your Google Ads campaign. Use tools like the Google Keyword Planner to help you identify relevant keywords with a high search volume and a low competition. Consider using a combination of broad and exact match types to capture the right searches. Don't forget negative keywords. These are the words you don't want your ads to show up for. For example, if you sell high-end running shoes, you might want to exclude searches for cheap running shoes. Your ad copy is your first impression on a potential customer. Generic and poorly written ad copy will get skipped faster than you can say click-through rate disaster. Trust me. Write clear, concise ad copy that directly highlights your unique selling proposition and include strong call to actions. You can also A/B test different headlines and descriptions to see what resonates best with your audience. Think about your most compelling offer. What makes your product or service stand out? Write down a few headlines that capture that essence and keep them handy for crafting your ad copy later. Launching your campaign is just the beginning. Google Ads is a dynamic platform, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Regularly monitor the performance of your campaign. Track key metrics like clicks, impressions, conversions, and cost per acquisition or CPA. Use this data to optimize your bids, keywords, and ad copy to get the best results. Remember, Google Ads is a continuous optimization process. Just really quickly, in my next video, I'm trying to do a Q&A. If anyone has any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them in the next video. And mistake number 5, the one that drives me insane. Let's face it, not everyone converts on the first click, but that doesn't mean that they're lost forever. Remarketing allows you to show targeted ads to people who have already interacted with your website or even your YouTube channel. Remarketing can be incredibly powerful for driving those hesitant viewers back to your site and then getting them to complete a purchase. And these are just the top 5 mistakes that I handpicked because I see them happen over and over again with new marketers coming into the industry. But it doesn't stop there. Head over to the Google Ads Help Center after this video. There are tons of resources to help you dive deeper into remarketing and other advanced strategies. So there you have it, the top 5 Google Ads mistakes that you need to avoid if you are new to advertising on Google Ads. By avoiding these pitfalls and implementing the tips that we've discussed, you'll be well on your way to running successful campaigns and generating real results. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. And leave a comment if there's a mistake that you've seen that I haven't mentioned in this video. I'll make sure to touch on that in my next video. Thanks so much. Goodbye.
Don't click your own ads. Oh, what a shame. Beginner's mistake. They're all to blame. Misspelled keywords. The ad won't be seen. In the search results, your wallet will scream. Hold on to your budget, don't let it drain. Don't forget to set your campaign's aim. Bidding too high, your costs go through the roof. Your bank account's crying, you need some proof. Google ad blunders, oh what a mess. In the land of ads, they're failing the test. With catchy jingles, we'll learn from the fails in this 2000 sitcom where laughter prevails.